Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the topic climate and the factors affecting the climate of the earth. What is climate? The climate is the average weather condition of a particular place over a long period of time. For example, 30 to 40 years. Deserts have a hot and dry climate, whereas tropics have a hot and wet climate due to rainfall. Now, let's see who is a meteorologist. Scientists who study weather elements for weather forecasting are called meteorologists. Meteorologists often use data such as high and low temperatures, monthly rainfall, and accumulation of snow of around 30-year intervals to define a region's climate. Now, let's see the difference between climate and weather. Climate is the long-term pattern of weather at a certain location, and weather is a short-term condition of the atmosphere. Now let's see the factors affecting the climate of the earth. The factors that affect the climate of the earth are distance from the sun, earth's tilt, sunrise and sunset. Now let's see them in detail. Distance from the sun. The position of a planet in the solar system determines the surface temperature of the planet, which in turn affects the climate. Earth, being at the right distance from the sun, is neither too hot nor too cold. The planets closer to the sun, like Mercury and Venus, are extremely hot, and the planets farther away, like Uranus or Neptune, are extremely cold. Now let's see about Earth's tilt. Earth's axis is an imaginary line passing through the center of the Earth from the North Pole at the top to the South Pole at the bottom. Rotation of the Earth around this axis causes day and night on the Earth. Earth's angle of inclination or its axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. As a result, most regions get varying hours of daylight through the year. Hence, varying climatic condition. Due to this, the hemispheres such as northern and southern have different seasons. Now let's see a fun fact. Venus is hotter than Mercury in spite of it being further away from the sun than Mercury. Do you know why? This is because Venus has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Sunrise and sunset. The time in the morning when the sun rises is commonly referred to as sunrise, and the time in the evening when the sun sets is commonly referred to as sunset. The length of a day is determined by the difference in the times between one sunrise and sunset. Due to the Earth's angle of inclination, the length of a day at a particular place does not remain the same throughout the year. The longest day is on June 21st or 22nd, and the shortest day is on December 21st or 22nd in Northern Hemisphere. In the Southern Hemisphere, the opposite happens. That is, the shortest day is on June 21st or 22nd, and the longest day is on December 21st or 22nd. Now let's see a recap. Distance from the sun, Earth's tilt, sunrise and sunset are the factors affecting climate of the Earth. Distance from the sun, Earth being at the right distance from the sun is neither too hot nor too cold. The planets near the sun are very hot, and the planets farther away from the sun are very cold. Earth's tilt. Due to the Earth's angle of inclination or its axis is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degree, we get a variation in the length of the daytime. Sunrise and sunset. The time in the morning when the sun rises is commonly referred to as sunrise, and the time in the evening when the sunset is commonly referred to as sunset. Okay friends, that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic climate and the factors affecting the climate of the earth. So before you quit this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Bye friends.